Do you want to create compelling portraits like this? Or this? Or maybe this? Hi, I'm Chris Petracchi, portrait artist. And if you're one of those people that gets excited about drawing portraits, then I want to invite you to join my upcoming webinar where I'll introduce you to my online course, You Draw, Mastering the Art of the Portrait. I'll take you on a little journey inside my 7-step scaffold method and show you how you can leverage it to help you make eye-catching portraits. I'll cover things like seeing like an artist and how you can develop the skill, using scaffold to create solid, believable drawings, capturing the attitude and action to reveal the person behind the eyes, the things you need to do to reveal your piece in a way that gets your message across and takes your viewers on a journey and keeps them coming back, getting a likeness, and more. If you love drawing portraits, you won't want to miss it. I'll see you there.